guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I'm your chef, Cherise, and today we are going to be making a vegan version of Korean corn dogs, like street food, Korean street food, vegan corn dogs. Now I'm going to tell you first and foremost, they made a corn and they made a dogs. I don't know why they're called that. Like, I don't know. Like, if you're Korean and you know, drop below. But they're super popular in the mukbang community. And, like, I just keep seeing them over and over again. And I'm like, I want to try them. But not only do I not live near K-Town, but I don't eat dairy. So I wanted to make a vegan version of these. And it's essentially just like a cheese, corn dog, sugar. It's weird. It sounds weird. It sounds weird. But we're going to try it and we're going to see what it's all about. And before I get started, I did want to mention, if you want to help donate to this channel, you can via PayPal, which will be linked below, or check out my Patreon, become a patron, which will also be linked below. Also, I haven't said it in a while, but I do have an e-cookbook secret recipes from a vegan bakery, which will be linked below. Everything's linked below. Okay, let's jump in. First, we have to cut the cheese, and by cut the cheese, I mean actually cut the cheese. Don't get your head out the gutter. So I'm going to use Follow Your Heart vegan mozzarella, and I'm just going to cut them. I want like, almost like, what's it called? Like a string cheese type of blocked thing. Let's see, cut this in half. Oh, that is honker. Okay, hold on. Let me cut that in half again. I'm not sure how big. I don't know. No. Let's do that. Yeah, that's a good size. Yeah. Then we're going to take our skewers and we're just going to shove it in there. Try and make sure we don't split it like I just did. And then we're going to put these in the freezer. Our vegan mozzarella is almost frozen, so we're going to go ahead and make the batter. So I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, and to that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're just going to go ahead and whisk this together. And now we're going to add a 1 egg vegan replacer. So I'm using the Energy brand. So if you use like Bob's Red Mill or something, the what do you call it? Measurements are going to be different. For the Energy one, which is a vegan egg replacer, I have 1.5 teaspoons of egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of warm water. So we're going to add that. We're also going to add 3/4 cup of cold vegan oat milk, home motherfucking made, bitches. You know how I do. So while I whisk this together until it's all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and watch that video of how to make a super cheap, super easy homemade oat milk.
Show me where to go for me squish, back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in her love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey.
Again, don't forget to use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off your own. So now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this into a long cylindrical glass, whatever you have on hand. I don't really give a shit, as long as it's like tall and cylindrical so you can stick your wieners in there. And hold on, let me just do that first. Now we're going to put this in the fridge until we're ready to start dipping and frying, because the important thing to know here is we have to keep the batter cold and we have to keep our cheesy bonanza really cold, even colder than cold. So I'm going to put this in the fridge, let this hang out. We're going to keep on keeping on. Okay, so now we're going to dip. Oh my God, that feels good. Make sure you get the like end where it's stuck to the skewer all the way. Pull her out. Woo, doggy, put her in some panko. Yes, quickly now. Because of Julie and Solomita, I got one of these cool, like, digital thermometers. Oh my God. And also, thank you guys so much for your donations. Like, these are the tools that I need to make this shit. So we're gonna put our little red dot, see what we're at. All right, so we're at like 332. We need it to be 350 at least, between 350 and 365. So We gonna give it another couple minutes. And then we're just gonna throw her right in and let her do her thing till she's golden brown and crispy tits. And while it's still hot, we're gonna go ahead and toss this in some sugar. That's what makes it Korean corn dogs. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys. Oh, what? I'm so excited. So I've seen that like, some people eat these with like a spicy ketchup or like a mustard on it, but like I wanted to try it like straight up. Greg already tried one. He'll tell you his opinion after I try mine, okay? Here we go. But also here's the thing, because a lot of mukbangers do it because like when you do it with like normal cheese, you get like the cheese pull. But I'm gonna tell you right now, you ain't gonna get that with a vegan cheese. A vegan cheese just do not pull like that. Whoa, what? It's crunchy though, look at that. Oh my God. Oh. Wait, hold on. I don't understand. Okay, hold on. Oh my God. It's almost funnel cakey, but like it's not. Like I almost get the spicy ketchup, like a sriracha ketchup on top would really go good with it. But it's like creamy from the vegan cheese, but because mozzarella isn't like a strong cheese flavor, it like ties in with that like crunchy, sugary, like funnel cakey kind of interesting. I like that. Greg, thoughts?
My thoughts are I really fucking like it. It's also a different taste texture combination that I'm used to.
It's definitely different.
So it's different. But different is good.
Yeah,
And
I'm not mad about it.
I really enjoyed the bite I had before we turned the camera on, and I'm really excited to eat more.
That's good. It's unexpected, but it's not bad. I'm just like, I had a feeling it would be like questionable, right? But it's not questionable bad. It's like questionable like, wow, what an interesting flavor combo I never would have thought of before. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Okay, hold on. Actually, see, the longer it sits there in your mouth. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I like that. Okay.
Like, different is good.
Different is good.
Different is good.
And I feel like I just like tried another culture's food, you know what I'm saying? Like, South Korea. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And actually, speaking of different flavor combos, I made a chocolate peanut butter banana vegan beer ice cream on my Instagram and my TikTok, which I don't like my TikTok because I don't really TikTok, but like I'm trying TikTok. Like, do you TikTok? If you TikTok, let me know what your ad is and I'll follow you on the TikToking. But my Instagram is linked below and that recipe video will be up as well. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, I have to go. I have to eat these. Okay, I love you. Subscribe, like, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.